Hello everyone. In this session, we will discuss the advantages of the e-marketing. So already we discussed in the previous class, like your how we can perform the e-marketing. Now in this class here, we can discuss the what are the advantages of e-marketing. So these advantages of e-marketing is like your how we can access and also here how it is like inexpensive and fastest like your just you can bring whatever you have the various products from the buyers or else your senders, right? In the e-market what we are discussing about the products, right? So here, so these products are coming from or else you are bringing from the buyers or sellers, so it will be in the form of very easily accessible, and also here it is not much more expensive like here it will be having the inexpensive, and also here we have the some fastest like here if you order the product here the product will be delivered to your home like within the 4 5 days, or else it may be some delays will be there, means here at least 1 week. So means here like that your whatever the product is performing in the online, that we are discussing in the advantages. And here these not only buyers and the sellers, here we have the large and small scale of people also in the world. Like here suppose here we have the manufacturers, from the manufacturers anyone is buying the products, so we can call that person is the largest scale. And after that here from that person another people are buying, so still up to at last year who are buying, so those people we can call like your small scale people. So after that here we are buying from them, so we are not small scale people, we are the customers. And next year when the buyers and the sellers are electronically linked, means here when the buyers or else your sellers or posting their products in the online, so that is like you're they are interacting with the electronic manner like you're in the internet. Here use volumes of data can be interchanged with ultimately results in increasing trading activities. So here only one person can be see that one, means whatever they posted the product only one person can see, no, several people, several means lakhs or else your millions peoples can be see that product, right? So in that time here it will be increasing the trading activity. Means for example you can see in the YouTube, if you posted the any one video, uh, if some people only one person is watching, means you just it will be having the some small trading like that. So several people at the same time watching, means your how many viewers is there for at the time they will give you, right? In a channel same like that only, if you're growing means several people are clicking your product automatically in the trading technology, so your product will be in the top list. Okay, so automatically it will be increase the trading activities for your product. And the e-marketing is uh, e-marketing will be having the advantages, those will be divided into the two types. One is for the sellers and one is for the customers. Advantages to the sellers and advantages to the customers. Let's see first one, advantages to the sellers. So in this advantages to the sellers, first they are performing like your accessing to the all the markets, access to all markets. Suppose you can see whatever you have the products or else online marketing is providing the various parts, like it is only providing the electronic gadgets, no, it is only providing the cloth items, no, whatever you have the products in this world, all those products will be available in the electronic market. So here normally you can see traditional marketing. Traditional marketing means your it is the offline marketing, right? So once you can check, already we discussed the traditional way. So traditional marketing is just will be having the buyers and the sellers. Those will be confined only to certain specific geography areas or else or anything. But comparing to the online marketing, in the traditional way, just whatever you have the areas nearby, that only you're sending the products. But in the online marketing here, every can access in the corner of the world also, in the corner of the world also. And you can see we have the online marketers, those can access the global customers also, and they can follow global strategies and they can complete the globally and the fluid global supply chains, everything they can. So we are importing and exporting our products to other countries, right? Not only states, we are importing and exporting these some products from the other countries also. Like it is like we are buying the products from the online to the another country, and they are buying from our country, right? So same like that here we can perform. And here we have the, if you are opening any website here, that will be equivalent to the opening any marketing office. And next you can see second one, we have the global marketing. So in the online marketing here, if any small firm you have, like just in your home, for example, just in your home you started your business, just we can call that is a small firm. So if you need to be access those in or in world means here, or else at least in our country, you can access to the all the market like your cheapest rate. Once you posted the cheapest rate, suppose the worth for the product is 1,000 rupees, just you can price that is like your 700. Why? Because your no one can send the product like your 700. If it is possible only they can. Or else you can see sometimes your we have the end of the season sales like that. Yes, normal days they can post the product value is like 3,000, 4,000 like that. If they given the offers, we are getting like at least 700, 800 type, or else here at least 1,000. How you're getting? So they are attracting the customers with the cheapest rate. Okay, so like that only here we can, if you need to be do the global marketing, if you have a small firm also, if you need to be access through all the through all uh, what world, or else your our country at least, so you can give the just the cheapest rate for this. For example, you can see any sole trader is having the some business like your hair oils or anything. So in the some local areas, India can sell its products and the services anywhere in the globe, and that to a comparatively lower marketing cost also. Yes, right? So same cost we can charge any person? No, that is your choice. You can prepare and you can give the price like your compared to the other products, like your cheapest cost is also possible. Okay, so that is like your global marketing. And next you will be having the scope for unlimited constraints free growth. So here we have some limitations for this. Suppose you can see here what we have: showroom space, warehouses, sales staff, office buildings, retailer shops, and many other. They do not cause any effect on the running of the business. Just here, whatever you have the markets, those can operate by using the web here, by using the single warehouse and limited staff members only. You can see warehouse we have. So like your we have in every places these warehouses, no. Suppose you can see delivery persons are sending the product to you, but here the delivery so means from the warehouse they are getting, from the warehouse they are getting the products. Can we call that is like that is like your warehouse. No, we cannot call. Who are sending, that is the warehouse, but here who are taking that product, those are the delivery services only, but we cannot call those are the warehouses. So like that here we have the limit warehouses and the limited staff members for this only. And next here we have the offers many services and the products from a single stop. A huge number of buyers and the sellers can be interacting with each other, and also they can offer very big variety of goods and the services in a single website. Yes, like your Amazon, for example, you can see the Amazon. In the Amazon several products will be there, and we can buy any product from the Amazon. That is possible. Only one type of product we have? No, several products we have in the website. And this is possible, why? Because your direct and indirect access will be there from the marketer to the customer. So in between we have the several applications like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Azio, like this so many we have, right? So in between the some applications we have, those are the trusted applications. Okay, so from that here we are buying the products. From that here we are buying the products. In between the buyers and the customers, here we have the applications. So those applications can be maintained by the our softwares. And next here we have the targets the customer individually. The online is directly or indirectly, it can be interacting with the communication, like you're with the helping of marketers to target the our customers individually. They can get all the necessary information about the customer irrespective of the location, and also here marketer also provide all the necessary information to the customer. Like here you can see, if some person is buying always, means here we can say that person is like your targeted customer. So means that person can buy any product, like that here we can give the name. So here targeting customers individually helps to provide a tailor-made product and personalized services, everything. And next we have the helps in building relationships with the customers. In the in the online marketing, if we need to be do the interactive and one of the marketing, that can be helps to the building the our relationship with the customers. And due to these good relationship, your from for what we have a good relationship, so for from the seller and the customer we have the good relationship, and the seller can offer more customized products, services and the incentives, everything. So you're automatically they can give the product total according to the customer specifications. For example, customized services provided by the Dell computers, like that here you can do anything. And next we have the seventh one, that is helps to reduce the cost in the online marketing. Okay, here we have the helps to reduce the cost in the online marketing. Here you can reduce the various costs, like your business cost, channel cost, communication cost, everything you can perform. Like if you're performing the business costs, it will be having the some cost, like your to carry out the business operations without using of the paper, like that. Like you are in the computer you can perform. If you're using the paper based, that will be charges, like here if you need to be buy the pen and the paper every time. So if you have just in the mobiles or else laptops, everything, so you can maintain within the mobile only. So just it can be like your one file type. And it is estimated the web business cost only 1/10 of the traditional business. Yes, yeah. So comparing to the traditional way, paper way, your the online will be taking like your 1/10 of uh, information, like your charges type. The channel cost or reduced as a product in the market through the web, and it can be reduced as the cost of the showrooms, warehouses, everything. And also if you have the communication or else any promotion cost, those also reduced, like your product is advertised through web pages or else any large group of peoples or anything. A versatile medium of communication. Next, eighth one, we have the a versatile medium of communication. So here this versatile medium of communication will be having the so versatile medium of communication is the combination of the newspaper, magazines, radios, billboards, telephones, and the TVs, everything. Okay, and the online marketing is the very flexible in our nature, which is a distinctive feature of it. And if you're using the internet is a unique medium as like your mass personalized medium in reaching of the people, and it will be having some low cost type. So just you can remember, just it will be having the versatile medium of communication, will be having the newspapers, magazines, radios, billboards, telephones, TVs, everything. Okay, and next year we have the advantages to the customers. Next year we have the advantages to the our customers. We completed the sellers, and your the first one is the convenience. First one we have the convenience. Your customer, if the customer is purchasing any product by using the online, okay, just you can see if the customer is buying any product by clicking on one button here, they can buy from like your they can click the one button staying in the home only, or else in any way you can choose, not only in the staying home, anywhere you can choose, but here you can post your address, whatever the delivered you need. Okay, so the customer can purchase the product just by clicking a mouse button staying at home, and it can be saves the lots of time and also money that can be saved in the online marketing. The customer can have 24 by 7 access, yes, right? So here for example you can say Amazon will be having the 24 by 7, right? So means here it can be works like your 24 hours within the week, like your it can be works also in the Sundays also. Yes, and next you can see in the normally if you're buying products anything from the offline means you, yes, they can open in the morning like 10 o'clock and they can close at 10 o'clock, and after that your Sundays will be not there like that. Some shops will be there, right? But in the online we don't have any opportunity like that. So you can buy the products from the online 24 by 7 in the midnight or anywhere anytime here you can buy the products from the online is possible, that we can call like your 24 by 7 accessing. And this online interaction between the marketer and the customer, here if you're buying the products, this can be in the form of your uh, relationship between the customer and the marketer. The customer can have the demonstration of the product, make online orders, and make online payments, and they can accomplish the entire purchase process through the net only. Without the net here, they cannot do anything. So definitely they need the net here, internet. Net means your internet. That is a convenience. And next here we have the search advantage and wider options. In the traditional shopping, customer is providing the limited choice. Like here, they can visit the 4 or 5 outlines in the order to get the best of it, and which can be used to be tedious. But here, whole the scenario is changed with the use of online marketing. Like your online marketing is providing the customers with a large variety of products throughout the world. So means here, different suppliers we have in the applications like here Amazon, the only one person can sell that product, no, that is not possible. So many persons can be send the similar products in the online. So customer who are buying the products, they can see what we have the features for this product, and also here what type of item this one, so everything they can see from all the suppliers. So like that here they can maintain the search advantage and the wider options. They are searching the another options. Why? Because if it is cost, but here we need the several features only, right? Without the features how we can buy? But here with same similar features we have in another supplier, they are giving the some low cost means definitely we can go through that. But every time we need to be choose the like your ratings. Without the rating we are trusting the supplier means that is not possible. First we need to be choose the full ratings. Okay, and after that we have the customers can bargain on it with a host of sellers. Is this possible? Bargaining is possible in the online. Normally, if you are buying any product in the offline, means definitely we can bargain. If it is 1000, you can give the 500, like that. Here we can bargain. It is possible in the online. Yes, we can see online marketing being interactive in the nature that can be helps it through the customers to bargain with the sellers for the low prices. The customer can make comparisons regarding the brand's prices and make the best deal, right? So directly we cannot bargain that one, but here we can ask like your which type of brand, and how much we are pricing for that, and your which type of material this one, why you are making the cost like this here we can give the post, but directly we cannot connect with the sellers. Okay. And next year we have the transparency and the accuracy. Next year we have the transparency and the accuracy. And the online marketing, they are providing the customer with a high level of transparency, like your unlike your business transactions. Nothing is hidden from the customers here. Just by a click of mouse, the customer is comes to know about every minute detail of the product regarding its prices and terms about the product. And also here whatever we have the terms and conditions for that, everything here they can know. That is not only means here that is not hidden from the customers. They can post whatever you have the product details, so that is like your transparency and the accuracy. And next year we have the customers can get the more for less. Here, online marketing is helping to the customers to get the more values of their money. Your sellers of the product is sending to the customers as appropriate price and a value, keeping the point in the mind. And the customer can purchase the product anywhere in the world. That is possible. So here they follow the policy like your more for less. So here more for less is the one policy. Here it is the one policy. More for less means here it is a one policy. And next here we have the power equation shifts in the favor of the customer. The web marketing alters the power equation from the marketer to the customer. In case of any traditional marketing more focusing on the supply side and the customer was taken in the granted, there was the assumption that the customer will make at the take all the troubles at the purchasing of the product from the stores along the stores whatever you have the fully sold. And due to the benefits of online marketing, it has become fast and has manifested itself in these ways. And it will be having some growth in volume, and also it will be having the enlargements in the range of products marketed, and it will be having the growth in the internet subscriber base also. Okay, so these are the our advantages for the our e-marketing. Just you can see, definitely the seller will be having the advantages and the customer is also having the advantages only. Okay, so these are the advantages of marketing. Hello everyone. Here we have the disadvantages of e-marketing. The first one is the all products do not lend equally well for web marketing. The first and foremost drawback of online marketing is that is not suitable for any and every product. For instance, you can say when Philips India went to for the web marketing, it has to send a few products and keep others off. Like that means it is not sending the all the products from all the people. It is just only for the India people. So that is the main disadvantage. And next year we will be having the cost involved or not inconsequential. Whatever you have the cost that can be involved in the web marketing, those are not low as it is often made out. The cost are not incurred just once at the time you can create the our website, but the marketer is required to spend the some money of the running maintaining and also updating the sites. If the marketer does not spend the some money about the mentioned activities, then there are chances for the lodge of losing a lodge of customers. Yes, right here. So means here we have the Amazon. So the Amazon will be not having this at the same time, it will be not having the same updations. So, automatically it can be updated. So if if you're doing the updations means the programmers can redo the updations for that. So if you're doing the updates means how they can how they can perform, or else so many if you need to be promote your product, or else so many customers or so many sellers we have in this. In that time here, if you're increasing anything, so if they can ask here if the running or else maintaining of application, or else any updating the site here, the application people can be asked like here, you have to be pay the some money for us to do all these things. So if the seller is not giving them money, okay, means your seller is not paying the money, so they can remove that seller, means here the seller will lose the all the customers, right? For that case here, definitely the seller will can pay the amount to the our applications like your Amazon, for example. Okay, means here in the time your the some cost will be involving into the our sellers, not for the customers, but it will be charges to the our sellers only. And no real reliability about profitability. Many marketers in the present era are struggling to make their business viable and affordable. Even Amazon, the world biggest online marketer, is it to break even. So means here, sometimes here without the profit also here they can do the business. So why? Because here to they cannot lose the customers. For that case here, they are giving the some offers to us like that. Why? Because here they are choosing like you're in the top list more, like you're in the trading application type. And the lack of personal interaction while making a purchase, many people can prefer the live interaction when they buy. They believe in having face to face conversations rather than the online marketing. That is not there here. Directly you can buy the product without seeing off any faces. Here directly we are buying from the online, so that is the main disadvantages into this. Why? Because you if you have the if you have direct conversations to the sellers and the customers, means here how the customers can buy the product, means here why we have the platform like your Amazon like that here. So your Amazon is taking the some amount of that persons from the sellers, and they are sending the product to the customers. That is the we have the in between we have the one platform. So without the platform here without the platform means you definitely will be having the some less cost only, but here directly we cannot buy all the products from any other countries. That's what your uh, we will have the platforms, so that's what we don't have the any face-to-face conversations also. And next year we have the security. So just you can see here about 70% of internet users are there in this world. There is a real fear of their privacy, that is having the invaded as their personal details. Those will be having the revealed, or else it may be the exchanged with other online companies. And also here whatever you have the possibility of the credit card numbers, just like here you can see so just here we have the rights and the rights to provide the privacy, security, everything. So why? Because here without the security, how we can enter the our UPI IDs, credit card details, debit card details, or else here any bank details, right? So here we are posting the our information, so just here we are transacting the our information. So without the security we cannot do all these things in all the applications. Okay, so just here they can maintain the security, just here they will not make sometimes your 100% security. So that is depends on the who creating the programming. Okay, so why? Because your several hackers will be there at the moment of transactions. That's what here we need to be kept always in the secret manner for the privacy issues. And next year we have the can leave businessman feeling isolated. This is very common actually. Why? Because here the world wide web is faceless. Yes, that is also will be not having the any face, and also it is not including all those things. Why? Because it can appear cold and inhuman. This can make the businessman feel isolated and very involved. And everyone likes to socialize and meet the people, but in this case here it is quite difficult. And next we have the how to tell if people are lying. There is so much information in the world, in this world, and in the web now, so it is sometimes hard to tell the difference between the crop and the quality. So just we don't know if you're taking the product in the our hands only, we can say that product will be having the this quality. So if not here we can identify with the seeing of the product in the online, no, that is not possible. And the costly for marketers in the online marketing, it is costly for the marketers, as it is including the cost of softwares and the hardware and the peripherals, website designings, web maintenance, and online distribution cost, everything. So who are selling the products, those will be maintain the every cost for the online marketing type here. So that is the disadvantages in this year we have like that. So just you can see here whatever you have the disadvantages in the e-marketing, these are the our disadvantages. Your search engine is nothing but your, for example, you can choose our Google only. Google is the search engine. Whatever the user required, they can enter the information into the Google, so they will get the whatever they entered, right? So in this search engine we can, it is one type of software system. Here search engine is the one type of software system. It is designed for to search the information in the internet. Without the internet here we cannot find anything. So the search engine is defined or is designed by through the internet. Okay, without the internet can we approach, can we perform the any information? No. So for that case you can see it is designed for the search engines. Or else you can see whatever you have the directories, search engines, those will be like your most popular in our finding the sites. Several sites we have at present days, websites. So if you need to search those website, you are searching those by using your search engine. And these engines are operating the user defined words, and also it will be takes the boolean expression. I think everyone knows what is the boolean. Normally we'll be having the c++ like this, right? In that also you will be having like that. What boolean means to, it may be the false or else it may be the true. If you are entering the one link, if it is available it can shows the information. If it is not available it can shows like your search is not found. Okay, like that your user defined words means your whatever we are entering. Suppose you need to be find the what is e-marketing, that is a user word only, right? So your if it is not like your what is e-marketing, whatever the given, so your by the e-marketing keyword they can give the information to us, right? So here in this year we can work the user defined words, and also we can perform the boolean expression in the search bar, whatever you have. And whatever you have the search results that can be represented in the line of strings, and which are list of closely matched websites. Whatever you have, those will be matched. And also you can see that is like your search engine results pages. Once it is giving the information to us, means whatever the user is entered the question, if it is giving the answer to us, that we can call like your SEP, SERP, SERP, search engine results pages. What we can call here? SERP. So what is the SERP here? Search engine results pages. And here whatever you generated the results, that will be having the combination of the web pages and the images and various types of files also. If you're searching anything, you can see it will shows only one thing, means like your text format. No, it can be shows several web pages like with the form of images also, or else several websites. And also sometimes it will be having some files. You can click the link, you will be get the download form. It will be shows some images to us, and sometimes it can be shows some videos also. You can check once you are doing all this here, you will be understand. Just open the Google search engine, enter the any one element means just like your e-marketing only you can enter. Automatically it can be shows the information about that. So you can see here whatever they are showing. Yes, it is giving the result to us. What it will be having? It will be having the several websites. Once you are clicking any one website, it can be shows the text formats and also some images type, and also it will be having like your just some types of files also. Okay. And here if the user types any string format in the search bar and the clicks enter, the search engine periodically crawls through the internet searching for the new pages. For what means here? For the new pages. And also it can be updates the existing database, the speed with which the engine performs updation and the searches, the number of locations have major impact on the total number of sites also. And it can be indexed as well as the revenue to the site. So just you can see here, normally we are getting the several websites. Okay, so just here we are getting the top 10 websites in our list. Why? Because here they are the most popular in that pages. So means you're if you're using the second page, suppose here you have the several website, one person is in the topmost, but you are opening the fifth position person, means several times you are opening means you are, they can update it like you, they will come to the second position or else third position, like that here it may be performing like your our index performance. Okay. And whatever you have that you can perform with the speed everything here. So just you can see more number of clicks is site by the user, and the higher income to the site owner who created the our website here, for that people will get the high much of amount. So your search engines is maintains the real-time information by using an algorithm, or else here it may be the web crawl. Okay, so just you can imagine how it will. Letters is also one type of our aggressive advertising techniques, and it can be designed to attract the attention of the users. Like it will be having the low cost technique, and it can be used for the firms for promoting their products, or else it may be the services, or else here whenever the user is registered by the visiting site, and it can be forwards is to link to the others. And whatever the user will be having, it can be referred individual, and also it can be gets the extra benefits for every person who are visiting the our site by clicking on the links like that. So definitely will be get the emails. So in that email, if you got any link here, if you are clicking that one, so in that again it will be having the one link. If again you are clicking that one means again it will be having the one link. So like that it will be having the several links here. You can say that is the email chain letter manner. Okay, so not only it will be having the by one link here we cannot find, it will be open, so it will be having the several links. If you're clicking the one link to another link, you automatically it can be displayed the several links manner. Like that here you can work the our email chain letters. Okay, so this is the okay. Next you okay, will be having the one thing that is the directory services. So your the directories are in the new online advertising format. So this can be representing the our business functionalities. This will be having the like these will be having the some functionalities, those can be represented in the our index format. So those are like your list, and also it can be supplies our links to the websites, and the listing of the websites can be done in the form of alphabetical manner, or else it can be done in the form of category wise. And whatever you have the indexes, those can be listed category wise, and also it can be displays the indexes, whatever you have the sequential order also. And the when user clicks the one category, so automatically it can be navigating to the respective page, and automatically it can be shows whatever the user is click same similarity products they can display in our web pages. And the role of the directory service is critical, and also it is very important to us finding the categories whenever you're performing the, or else whenever the user is searching. So your this directory services can performs like your users expectations type. It can be performs like your users expectation, means directory services is responding to the users expectations. And this is necessary, why? Because here the category is missing or listed somewhere else, the user may think the intended content is not present on the site. Apart from this here, the exist many directory services or there in our organization, in the business, or else here it may be the multiple categories like this. And nowadays your there are many directory services like your we are registering those, right? So we are registering the several websites, your those will be like your free of cost only. Some of these includes the information like your internet mall, or else yellow pages, or else it may be having the Yahoo like this. Okay, so you can see whatever you have the information, just you will be understand in the